Today on your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Clovis Oncology, and today the stock is down 2.94%, trading at $1.48. Yesterday, Clovis Oncology closed at $1.53. Today, the stock opened at $1.40. And just a reminder, the 52-week range for Clovis Oncology has been from 58 cents all the way up to $6.65. Today's volume is quite healthy at 9 million shares that have exchanged hands, with just about 3 hours and 20 minutes to the close of trading. Average volume is typically about 15 million shares that exchange hands. The market capitalization as of this recording is at 216 million US dollars. So Clovis Oncology saw a rise in the stock in each of its shares when it reported that it had some positive interim results on one of the clinical trials for a drug candidate, and that sent the stock soaring, and also the volume also increased by quite a bit. But since then we have had a cooling off, and if you guys look at most of the stocks that we cover on this channel, most of them have cooled down a little bit between yesterday and today. So this is the 5-day trend for Clovis Oncology, and you guys can see that on Thursday, June 16th, the stock was trading at about 84 cents. And then when the news was announced about the positive interim results for their clinical trial on one of their drug candidates, the stock went all the way up to $2.07, and since then it has slowly declined. So we don't know how far this stock is going to slide down, but we can say that the S&P 500 and the Dow 30, even the Nasdaq, they are struggling, and they seem to be just holding marking time in position. They might actually be moving sideways, but we are not seeing major big declines like we saw about a month ago or 2 months ago. So we don't know yet if we reach the bottom. The Feds just had their meeting, and they came out with an interest rate hike of about 3/4 of a percentage point, and that seemed to be giving the kind of shock therapy that the economy probably needed to slow things down and bring inflation within reasonable limits. So we would advise caution, at least since tomorrow we are going towards into the weekend, and this was actually a short week, given that Monday was a holiday, was Juneteenth. So I would be very careful going into the weekend, and just watch carefully, especially the last hour, the golden hour, and also the aftermarket, to see exactly what the equity markets are doing. And then from there you can make a decision if you want to jump in today, and then probably ride up the stocks as they would likely rise tomorrow, Friday. And then on Sunday a lot can happen, and that might upend whatever plans you had for next week. So do proceed with caution. Things seem to be bottoming out, but we don't know yet what sectors have bottomed out already. The midterms are in November. That's still a very long way off. So please do exercise caution as you play with your hard-earned money on the stock market. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. On your way out, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and keep our numbers growing. Our target is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections, which take place in November. Bye now.